Hey everyone, welcome back. Got another car for you here. Gonna do an unboxing on it. Something new, haven't had it yet. Let me show you what we got. There it is. We got that new Cen Racing F450. Look at this thing. I haven't seen one of these. I've seen a couple when I was at the swap meet recently. Thought they were pretty cool. A lot of guys pull trailers with them and stuff. That's pretty neat. So I haven't had one to be able to really look closely at it yet. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get this thing unboxed and show you what it's got. Let's do this. Oh man, would you look at this? Okay. That's it in the box. Comes with some stickers. Oh, that's nice. I like that. Okay. So, cool thing, it doesn't come with the stickers put on it. So if you want it solid red, you can keep it solid red. But if you do like the look of it with the forged stickers that comes with them, you can throw them on there. Little tiny toolkit, you know, a couple Allen wrenches and looks like a wheel nut tool, possibly. So there's that, and a book with the breakdowns. That's nice. Rebuild all that with this. So that's that. We'll put that off to the side. Seems a little cheesy. Nothing too fancy. I mean, it'll do the job. But just basic stuff here. It does have a channel 3, it looks like, so you could catch a set of lights with that. We'll see. Maybe it's decent, but it just looks cheesy. It has a rubber grip on the steering wheel. That's nice, though. I like that. Not just regular foam. So we'll put this to the side here. Get this truck out. Would you just look at this? Those rims are awesome. That paint. You see that? It's got a little notch right there. It's just asking for a fifth wheel hookup. Okay. This body taken off real quick. Underneath it comes with these little body protector washers. Be better if they are sticky and they were stuck on. Solid painted. Oh, it's 2-piece. Look at that. You can take the bed off and make it a flat bed or something if you wanted. See that, guys? But oh, the battery. Yeah, the mirrors screwed in. Even the wipers. Those are realistic wipers. They're screwed on from underneath. That's pretty cool. I like it so far. First impressions, nice. It's nice. And here's the underside. Got a 550 brushed motor. Nice size battery tray, so that's pretty neat. Looks like it hold a decent 2S battery. What kind of servo? Just a basic servo. It looks like it's a Metal Gear servo, so that's a good advantage. we'll throw a battery in it here soon. Tires are squishy. They don't feel like they have foams in them. They're nice rubbery. I like the suspension. In the back it has here's the underside. So underneath it's got a pilot bearing in the middle here, so it's a two-piece rear drive shaft. I guess it's long. It's pretty good size. Front just regular single. I don't know why, but it looks like there's a spot you could put a bearing kit up there too. I guess this piece here is the same plastic. It's interchangeable, so that's nice. Yeah. Metal links. These are all metal. I like that. Dean's plug on it. Overall, pretty nice rig. The frame is screwed together in place here, front and the rear, so I suppose you could shorten it or lengthen it, I guess, but it's pretty long already. I would think if anything you'd shorten it. You can make yourself a nice single cab if you found a body. That'd be cool. Yeah, there's not a lot to it. I mean, it's you got good big metal shocks here, plastic caps, but that's all right. Good suspension on it here. I don't know if it's really, I guess it has a little bit of articulation, even in the rear. Get pretty high off the ground before that front wheel starts lifting. I like it. I like it a lot. Let me throw a battery in here and power it up. Let's put a zip tie down here in the frame to kind of hold the wires from flopping around everywhere. Let's see, moment of truth. Will this fit? Perfect fit. Wow, okay. I like it. So turn our remote on, turn our truck on. There we have it. It's long. That's crazy. It's not very slow, that's for sure. You can't crawl very slow. This is trying to ease into it. It's just kind of jumpy, but that's okay. Alright guys, so you've seen what it's about. You can kind of get your own take on it. This bed has a textured finish, which is kind of neat. I could see it scratching off though, but I like that it has a spot. We could drill that out, put you a fifth wheel hookup if you wanted to. Underneath it does have a trailer hitch, like I said, but you can see it's at least probably good almost 3 inches between the edge of the body and where that receiver hitch is. So you need something that's reinforced if you're going to be towing weight with it. Here we go. I finally got some time to get this dually out for a test drive. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a 3S in it and just drive it around, show you guys what it's about. This will be my first drive, so I don't really have a course set up yet in the yard or anything like that, but I'm just gonna drive around over some rocks, just some random stuff I have laying around, get a little something, maybe some driving across my driveway or in the street to get some speed run or something. But yep, So let me get this battery thrown in and we'll get going. This thing is surprisingly fast. Who am I kidding? That thing ain't gonna crawl.